Welcome to our G2L tutorial advanced, build HMI SDK sample application. We introduced HMI SDK and running HMI SDK demo at our last video. Please check it on our product page. Or Renis's YouTube channel. Also, you can find it at HMI SDK website. This video, we will introduce how to build HMI SDK sample application by your own. Here shows the timeline of this video. Please free to jump the part you are interested. You can also press pause anytime to check important information. HMI SDK provides HMI demos and sample applications. They are available both as source code and as pre-built binaries, which allow you to run them on the board immediately and change or customize them freely. The pre-installed applications can be run from a launcher program that starts automatically when the HMI SDK Linux launches. This video explains how to build HMI SDK sample application. Install cross-compiler to your Linux PC. Execute following command and don't forget set target directory. Enable cross-compiler. Execute following command and make sure where cross-compiler is installed. Clone sample application source code. Go to source code working directory. Build sample application. Execute following command. Executable file of sample application. Each executable file of sample application built as following. Now we will talk about deploy sample application. At this step, Linux PC is required. First, you need setup hardware. Set up EV case peripheral as below. Then set up EV case dip switch. Then you can start deploy sample application. There are two ways to deploy application. First, over Ethernet, using SCP. Boot and connect your EVK into your local network by connecting an Ethernet cable to RJ45 port. Your EVK will run the demo program automatically, so you need exit it by pressing the keyboard keys Ctrl+C, and we can proceeding. Then you need check your EVK's IP. Open terminal of your EVK, and check by using IP command as below. Next, copy executable into your EVK storage, SD card. Send executable file from your Linux PC using SCP command. We recommend you to copy to this directory and don't forget to replace your EVK's IP. Copy resources required by sample application. Please make sure you are copying to correct directory of EVK. second way is directly write into HMI SDK's SD card. Please following these steps and we recommend you to copy to this directory. If you not sure where is your SD card mounted, please check it using lsblk command. Please also make sure you are copying to correct directory on SD card. Now we can run sample application. Boot UEVK, if not yet, and waiting system start. Your EVK will run the demo program automatically, so you need exit it by pressing the keyboard keys Ctrl+C, and we can proceeding. Then, open terminal of your EVK and go to /home/root using cd command. Set sample application binary executable. Last, execute sample application binary. After you finish all these steps, sample application will running. For example, this is a sample application to show image. You can try other sample applications. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching.